today our activity is storytelling, but we still do not read the storybook. We will make our own story by using dice. We only need 2 or 3 dice and make a story based on the picture.
Let's sound on the dice. Okay, are you ready?
You can make your own by cardboard and let your mom put some pictures on the dice. And when you roll the dice and what picture show on the dice, please make your own story based on the pictures. Okay?
Okay, if you do not have a dice or if you do not have any material to make your own dice, I will help you to roll the dice. And where is the pictures? Okay, please look on the screens. Each number or each amount of the dots on this dice will show you what pictures of each size, like 1, 5, 6 will show a different pictures. Let's see. The pictures number 5 is and number 4 and the number 1. Let's go to the second round. Number 1 is number 2 and number 3.
I hope you have fun playing with the dice, and I'm waiting for the story that you have from the dice. Thanks for following. Stay safe at home and stay happy, because when we're happy, we will stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.